Getting a little rain shower here at Wild Birds Unlimited in Hendersonville today, but that's okay. I've got my umbrella. And guess what? Water is great for the birds. Come on in while we have our 15% off water sale. Here's the aggregate bird bath with the water wiggler. Here's the metal bird bath with some floating ducks. Ducks love the rainstorm too. It's a monsoon. I think we're in the tornado. And here's one of the fountains you can put. Here's our drip or mist. Oh my gosh, the water's just coming in. I'm getting soaked. I am getting soaked. Bird bath protector. Copper, a natural antimicrobial agent. And look at the beauty of this bird bath. Be careful, but be sure to put water out for your birds. Thanks for coming to Wild Birds Unlimited.